Hey guys, Ed here. Today we have this 2021 Nissan Kicks, and in this quick video I'm going to show you how to replace your MAF sensor, mass airflow sensor. So first of all, pop the hood, take a latch, move it to the left, raise the hood up and put it to the stand. Alright, so this is like the simplest repair you could actually do on a car yourself. So over here, this is our mass airflow sensor. This is a connector that connects to it, and there are two bolts that are holding it down. So what we have to do, we just have to disconnect this connector, okay, set it aside, take two 7mm ratchet, or actually you could do it with screwdriver if you can, but I prefer ratchet with the socket. So I'm gonna get my ratchet right here and just remove these two screws. One, two. Okay, so now we have our sensor out. That's it. You can order another sensor online or eBay, Amazon, or parts stores, dealer, anywhere. Order it. When you get the new one, same way. Put it back in. Put two these little bolts. Put these little bolts in spots, and that's it. This is gonna be the whole procedure. As you can see, it's super duper simple. Okay guys, hope this helps. If it does, please press like button and have a great day. Bye.